Hello. Long time, no chat. I just came back in from shoveling. It is quite the winter wonderland. Yeah, let me show you what we're working with. Yeah, so that's the driveway and there's so much snow. There's our backyard. I literally just finished shoveling. But yeah, so hi. I haven't filmed in a really long time, like probably a year. Welcome back. Found my camera, elephant in the room I moved. Brendan and I bought a house. Yeah, I've boxed up my camera and all that stuff and I found it and I was just kind of like, I'm gonna start vlogging after I shovel the driveway. So here we go. Yeah, I guess let's start off with a little tour. Put on some lip balm because I'm also really cold. I look purple. I feel like so much has happened in the last year and just like what my life updates and things like that, and I've just lost touch of YouTube. Oh, I also said I was gonna put on lip balm and I put on lipstick. Well, I mean, it's kind of the same thing. This Merit Beauty stuff is very hydrating. Yeah, I feel like just so much has happened, like so many different changes and exciting things, and yeah, anyway, I just kind of missed vlogging and I'm really happy to be back. I haven't edited or anything like that, but right now I'm loving it. I'm feeling like my own old self a little bit. So first off, let's start at the back of the house. So here we have the mudroom. We are currently replacing all the paneling and walls in here. Eventually we'll put a bathroom in here, laundry, and all of my winter stuff. Kitchen, which I just finished painting. Then we have our dining room. I got this cabinet off of Facebook Marketplace and in the fall time I painted it and I love it so much. Right now we're using a Costco table, like just one of those like $40 fold-up tables, just for now. Then we have our like little living room situation. Got curling on TV. Then this is our hallway. Creaky stairs because it's an old house. This is gonna be my office. It's gonna be that color. I think it's called dark olive from Benjamin Moore. So that's gonna be all over here. This is our bedroom. So that is the color that we're going with. It's called Gray Cloud, I think it is, or Cloud Gray. But that's what it's gonna be. I don't know if we're gonna do an accent wall. So like this will be green and then that side will be green and then that would be like a whiter gray. I don't know what we're feeling. I have no idea. This room is right now just storage because we have just so much crap, all Christmas stuff. Right now our attic, I won't go in there actually because I don't feel like opening it, but I'll show you eventually. Then we have bathroom and then I guess trim. So yeah. This little section here usually goes here. So yeah, so that's kind of just the little house tour, quick and easy. Basement's just a basement. Hello. Today is a very exciting day and I'm not in focus. Talked in a very long time, but I picked up my camera because today is a very special day. We are getting our puppy and I'm so excited. We're about to leave right now. I'm just gathering everything that I need. I have Pooh treat, a little toy for him to like chew on. Got 2 towels, a blanket in here, and a little like stuffy thing for him to cuddle up on, and a blanket to rub all over his mom and his litter mates and all that stuff. I'm hoping I have everything. Maybe I'll get a couple water bottles, but then he's gonna pee all over the car if he drinks water. But I don't want him to get dehydrated. I'll get some water bottles. But a 2-hour drive and we're gonna go. Oh my gosh, we have his crate ready. Oh, Brendan's just moving the car. We have a bed, which is way too big for him. I know that. We're not planning on like, that's like his, he can nap or whatever. Hopefully he doesn't destroy it. And then we have a little baggie of toys. So he'll get to decide. This little like duck. I got a lick mat. All of these like nice chew toys. And then I have all of his dog food here ready. Now he's on IMS, but I want to put him on Open Farm and we'll switch him from there. And if he doesn't like it, there's a couple other brands that we will see, but we're going to the vet on Monday. Today's Saturday. You know, see what they say because obviously I'm an amateur and I'm just going off of the million books and Google things that I've read. So let's go. I'm so excited.
Well, Alfie, you ready?
Ready for your new life?
Here. Hey, stop. Go for that.
Wow! Found my camera again because we're just all over the place with like doing painting. I'd like to say home renos, but like I don't really consider painting a home reno. Just from like what we've done in the past and like what we have in store for future, like it's painting. So I went through the footage. I thought I filmed more stuff, but anyway, the 2 videos that I did film, I wanted to like put them out there because those were in that time. And yeah, so much has changed within the house since March and February. It's now July. This will probably go up relatively soon, so it'll be on like your current time. I feel like so much has changed. Like, yeah, I just wanted to like chat a little bit. So yeah, we moved into a 1908 home. Technically we're the second owners, which is kind of cool because it's really unheard of. It was owned by the church, the Presbyterian church, and it was just considered a rental beforehand because whoever the minister was at that time, his family or her family lived here. Yeah, so that's kind of neat. There's been some like little things in the house that are a little old. The basement is pretty creepy. I like how I like casually said, oh, it's just a basement, but no, it's pretty creepy. There was like a bathroom down there. It is creepy. It was sold as a two bathroom, but realistically it's on only one, and that's on the upstairs level. That's why we're gonna put a bathroom on the main floor eventually. That'll probably be like one of our first renos. There's so much to do that we actually need to like sit down with a calendar like and whiteboard and just say like this is what we need to do, and then like rank it by priority. For me, the painting has been a priority because I just want to make it feel at home. So one thing that I didn't share is the before, like when we bought the house. There's a lot of natural light. When I first saw this house, I was just so in love with it. I was like, this is our house. Yeah, but it was like a really ugly salmon pink red color where I was like, all right, this is the first thing to go. It totally changed the aesthetic of the house. It made it more cozy, modern, our style in a way that it was less scary. We bought the house in October. The first big reno that we did was getting all the electrical changed over. That took about a month and a half, I want to say, to get it all done. It was actually a week before Christmas. They finished all the electrical. The day they hosted, or the day they finished the electrical, I hosted a girls' Christmas party. Guys were out at 4 o'clock. Brendan and I ran to go get a Christmas tree. Without majority of my Christmas decorations, my friends showed up around 6:37. So it was just like go, go, go. Get everything decorated to what it could be, and it worked out well. So that was really, you know, it was a fun time. I love hosting. I love Christmas. This is like, when I saw this house too, I was like, I can host so many things in this house, and that's what I wanted. So yeah, so I didn't move in until end of January, I want to say. And then actually, so we bought the house together, but he does not live here. He still has his house in Windsor, which you would have seen if you watched videos last year and things like that. That's where he worked. He has his house there, and now we have this house here. So it's just been me living here during the week, and he'll come on weekends, or we'll go up north, or I'll go to Windsor. Rarely, actually. I don't really go to Windsor, but like we'll be here. So it's just been me, which has been like a total huge learning curve for me, living at my mom's house that has like 5 people there, to now living by myself. And then now we got the dog, so it's been like helpful with me having the dog here because it's like I'm responsible of something, and it gives me something to do after when I come home and it's not so quiet anymore, which is nice. The loneliness of like living alone has kind of like taken a toll on me at times, where I'm gonna be completely honest. It's been a rough winter and spring. Not been 100%, but happy with this experience because I've experienced it. I know where I'm at. I know what my limits are with like being alone and things like that, but it's also like I feel like I've grown a lot this year, and being more independent and being more like accountable for me being responsible and all that stuff. So it's been a lot. So yeah, so anyway, so there's that update. So Brennan's still working on getting a job back this way. Yeah, so we'll see. But for right now, it's just me and Alfie. I never said his name in this video. If you follow me on Instagram and TikTok and stuff like that, like you would know. But his name is Alfie. I call him Little Alfredo because he's just a little noodle. He's so cute. Absolutely crazy. He's gone through his training. We did training at McCann's, which is in the Flamborough area. So yeah, so he graduated barely. There are lots of training things that still need to be done. Yeah, he absolutely loves the cottage. He is just one with the water while being there. He's not like comfortable with the water enough where he swims. He just kind of like jumps around in like the beach area of the cottage. Anyway, yeah. I can give you a quick tour again of the house, what has changed since then. And then you can meet Alfredo, who is now 7 months old. And he's just a ball of energy, but he's sleeping right now, so he might be a little bit more on the chill side, but still have his little wiggly bum because I'm gonna wake him up. So let's go. So this is now the office. I was folded boxes before, but now I kind of just have like my clothing rack up here. I have the dog bed is up here, and then this is just where I work from home. The bedroom, messy again, but I just have stripped the bed because I'm gonna do laundry. And that's our AC unit because we have no AC in this house. So that'll be one of the first major big purchases again. Do things. Also, we ordered one panel off of Amazon, so we need to get another one. That's why it's mismatched. Our storage room is just filled with more crap. It's just filled with more stuff. So I didn't show you the attic last time. It's probably really hot up here, so I'm not going to open it, but it's up in there. And it's really creepy. I'll have a photo. Also, this is the hallway up here. Oh, we're snoozing. Hello, Alfie. Hi. Is that where you decided to snooze? Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Oh, look at you. Oh, you're tired. Alfie likes to play hard, but he also likes to crash hard. Isn't that right? That's Alfredo. Hallway, we've added a mirror. We painted this. I think it was just the primer was on beforehand. So this is Benjamin Moore's Balboa Mist, which is the same color in the kitchen here, which is what was painted beforehand. We have Brendan's little work table as our island. Nothing has changed. We still have this everywhere because we haven't figured out what we're doing with this room yet. We don't know if we're gonna extend it and like make it bigger, but that screws up a lot of the foundation underneath because this was an addition. I don't really know the logistics of it. Oh, good boy. Again, I don't think anything has actually changed in this room. We haven't painted. I still have not figured out what I want to do. And then yeah, so really nothing has changed in this room. Anyway, this video is probably really long, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. Hello. Hello. Yes. You're so sassy. He is obsessed with Brendan, but lives with me full time, so he's not the happiest camper when Brendan leaves. He's like, oh, I'm stuck with you. That's what. Just what. Anyway. Hi. Oh my gosh, what's with the sass? What's with this sass? Do you go outside? Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna be back. I don't know when or what. I wanna get started. This is my push. All right, we'll go outside. A lot more, share more of like my house and like home renos and things like that. It's also just nice to look back on and like see. I wish I filmed, you know, when we were getting the keys and like when we were doing all those things, just because it would have been nice to like have a memory of that like video footage and stuff, but yeah, anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't know when it'll be, but I'll see you. Hopefully it won't be another year from now.